Why did we dump yesterday? Was this it? Is this now the end of the bullish phase we've been in? Guys, today I'm going to talk about the reason why we dropped yesterday. I will also give you my exact strategy, what I'm personally taking action on right now in the crypto space. I will tell you, just like I said, about the reason why we dropped, and also show you something really interesting because the most amount of people has actually been wrecked recently. So this is something you will want to pay attention to. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate that bell. Guys, let's get straight into it. So what do we see here? Well, yesterday you can see that we actually, although you know that the orange box and the orange line, these are very key levels to pay attention to. In fact, I was thinking that with this bullish trend, this consolidation, I thought that this area at 24,800 in general was going to be an area, a likely area for us to have a pullback on. Now, what I will also say is that this entire move was looking bullish. So as you know, yesterday I was in a long trade from the lower levels here, actually exactly from this orange line here, but I didn't take profit. I wanted to hold it a little bit longer because this was a bullish looking trend, but we always knew that this was a strong level of resistance, which is also why on this trading bot, which we opened up a couple of weeks ago, we did have the $24,800 level as the upper range kind of it was gonna trade. So I will get back to the performance of this bot and explain it more soon. But for now, okay, what did we see? We struggled to break through this. We finally broke through it. We're trying to make this as support. And then we did see the data come out. The data we saw was actually that the the producer price index, which is basically the inflation among producing stuff. And of course, if it's more costly to produce stuff, it is going to add into the inflation as well. Now, this was estimated to come in at 0.4%. It actually came in at 0.7. The PPI, excluding food and energy, also increased 0.5. Expectation were a 0.3% increase. So you can see that the producer price index, the cost of producing goods, came in higher than the expectations, and this is why we did see this drop. Now, what I will say is that in general, if you've been following my recent videos, you know I've been wary of inflation actually going up a little bit for this particular month. In general, I've been saying that the inflation is going to come down. It has been going down. If you look at my strategy video from several months ago, then that is actually still very relevant right now if you want to watch it, because everything I'm thinking right now is still the same as I was thinking back then. But yes, the inflation has gone down. But for this particular data that have been coming out recently, like the last 2-3 days, I was expecting the inflation to potentially come in higher than expectations, and this is what you saw. And so we did see this drop here. But guys, I'm still bullish on the market. I cannot say it in any other way. I'm still bullish on the market, and I am still expecting us to be in this range, like 21,600 up to 24,800. So for us to consolidate and trade for a little while inside of this range, which is of course why we have this bot set up. But long term, we're approaching this white line. You already know about this, but I want to pinpoint it again. So this is at the white line, approximately somewhere around this white line. I do think that that is when we are gonna start to really go into bull mode here. So we're getting close to it right now, not entirely there yet, but time is passing by and we're getting closer for every day that passes by. So this is absolutely fantastic. I'm so stoked for the crypto markets, guys. We are gonna be able to make a lot of money here in this crypto market. In fact, even in this bear market. But yes, things are about to get hot, but it could take a little while longer. This white line is still like in May of 2023 right now. So we're paying attention to that. For traditional markets, did see the same thing here. We were consolidating at these orange lines here, right now pushed under them. So we're keeping an eye on the traditional markets, of course. And guys, if you want to start trading yourself, we do have the best deposit bonuses available. Up to $30,000 over on Bybit, up to $50,000 over on OKX, BitGet up to $8,400. So make sure to take advantage of these deposit bonuses if you want to start trading. And let's talk about my bot here. So my bot, as you know, between 22,200 up to 24,800. So basically what this bot is doing is in between this range, okay? This range from this orange box here up to this orange line up here. It's basically buy-in as we're going lower and then taking profit as we're getting higher. So I'm expecting this bot to be extremely profitable. And by the way, guys, the trade I had opened yesterday, as you know, I did enter into a short-term trade right here. As we were having trouble, you know, and when the data and everything came out, I actually got out of that trade at a big profit. So we just wanted to point that out. But for the bot, I'm keeping it running. I do think over time, this bot is going to be extremely powerful. If you look at the exact levels it's going to buy at, it's going to buy at 23,500, just like I said, all the way down to 22,200. And it's taking profit at about, well, the upper range here, 24,800. And the 24,000. So basically 4 orders it's taking profit at. Yeah, you do have the history here, taking profit, $306 in profit, 70, 304. So it's making good profit already, this bot. So I'm absolutely stoked about the performance of this moving forward for the next few weeks and potentially months even. So gonna keep you updated as I have promised to do, as always, guys. Finally, what I want to show you guys is this. So this came out yesterday. The short covering in the US tech stocks from January the 21st to February the 15th is the second largest in magnitude over any 12-day period in the past decade. So basically what this means is that people were short tech stocks, and because tech stocks pumped, they had to cover their shorts. They got wrecked, and this is the most amount of wreckage for this last decade, basically. So yeah, be careful shorting, guys, unless, you know, it's a very clear setup. But I think in general, as we're moving into more bullish times, I would be a little bit careful shorting, unless it's like from logical points, like, I don't know, we will talk about like up here at $30,000. This will definitely be a logical point to short, given all the information we have at hand right now. No. So yeah, we're keeping an eye on all of this, guys. We keep doing money, doing these trades, and I will keep you updated as always. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.